Interactive wiring diagram. This helps technicians to understand the vehicle wiring easily and perform the wiring diagnostic effectively. XUV 400 is a battery electric vehicle. Instead of gets power from conventional energy, this vehicle gets power from battery. Electric motor. It is powered by an electric motor instead of IC engine. Battery pack. Instead of fuel, electric vehicle uses battery pack unit to store large amount of energy. The electric motor gets energy from the battery box unit, and it is controlled by Integrated Power Distribution Unit (IPDU), which regulates the amount of power based on driver usage of accelerator pedal. HV cable. Transaxle. Integrated Power Distribution Unit. Drive shaft. Electric vehicle uses energy which is stored in rechargeable battery, which are recharged by common household electricity, which uses alternating current to charge the battery. Electric vehicle also uses fast charging station to charge the battery at faster rate by using direct current. Electric vehicle does not emit unburned CO2, NOx and HC emissions like IC-powered vehicle. Disconnect the charger and turn on ignition. MBFM receives key on signal. Once the key is turned to ignition on position, MBFM energizes interlock relay. IEMS, TCU and immobilizer receives ignition on signal. Immobilizer authenticates the key. 72 volts battery pre-charge operation is carried out and HV contactors are closed. On pressing drive switch, TCU receives drive enable request from MBFM. TCU enables PRNDL operation by actuating PRNDL solenoid. TCU pre-charge operation is carried out and then main contactor is closed. Accelerator and brake pedal position signals are received by TCU, thus vehicle is in ready to drive state. On selecting reverse mode, TCU will supply minimal current to motor, and reverse lamp will be on. Press accelerator pedal for cruise, and after releasing accelerator pedal, recuperation phenomenon will happen. On selecting forward mode, TCU can supply maximum current up to 250 amperes to motor based on driving conditions. Press brake pedal to stop the vehicle and regenerative braking will happen. On selecting boost mode, TCU can supply maximum current up to 550 amperes to motor based on driving conditions.